Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. Today we're looking at a necessary accessory for our 991 Porsche. We're looking at the front tub. And the reason why this is necessary is because when you look at the tub of a 991 Porsche, it's carpet and felt. And if you put something in there, you could imprint it or damage it. And not only that, it's a little loose, meaning that if you put like a carton of milk, which I don't know why you'd be doing that, it's gonna be flying like crazy. That's why we have this tub, because it protects the inside of the front of our Porsche, but it also gives you an ability to organize and also make sure stuff can stay in place. We're gonna show you how to install it, which is literally gonna take 5 seconds, and show you the finished product. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Really easy install. You just slide it in there, and it just kind of fits in there perfectly. And where we bought the car, Porsche of Denver West, they gave us this little bag. Look at that, we got matching accessories here. All right, guys, the link is gonna be in the description where you could buy it. We purchased it from suncoastparts.com. Those guys are amazing. We've been buying parts from them for a long time. So yeah, go check out their website. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.